The Quran emphasizes the equality of all individuals before God and promotes the idea that men and women have the same rights and responsibilities. It states that men and women are created from the same soul and that both are equal in terms of their humanity, dignity, and moral responsibility. The Quran also recognizes the rights of women in marriage, inheritance, and education. In terms of marriage, the Quran states that both men and women have the right to choose their partners and that marriage is based on mutual consent. It also states that men and women have equal rights and responsibilities within the marriage and that both should treat each other with kindness and respect. In terms of inheritance, the Quran states that women have the right to inherit and that their share of inheritance should be equal to that of men. In terms of education, the Quran encourages both men and women to seek knowledge and to strive for self-improvement. It states that all individuals, regardless of gender, have the right to education and that it is a duty for all to seek knowledge. Overall, the Quran promotes the idea that men and women are equal in terms of their rights and responsibilities and that both should be treated with dignity and respect.